In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to fix Google Chrome slow downloading on Windows 11 operating system. This enhances productivity and efficiency by reducing wait times for file transfers. It ensures smoother and quicker access to critical documents, software updates, and multimedia content, which is essential for both personal and professional tasks. On your Google Chrome, click on these three dots at the right upper corner of your screen. Select on the option of Settings. On your left menu, head to Privacy and Security. You will then click onto this option of Security. Navigate into the Advanced section. Make sure to enable this option of Use Secure DNS if disabled. In this other section of Select DNS Provider, click on this downer arrow to select on either Cloudflare or Google Public DNS. This increases your downloading and the internet performance on your browser. On this same exact page, head to the System option. Make sure to turn off this option of running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. This significantly enhances system performance by reducing unnecessary network usage, ensuring that bandwidth is not consumed by background processes. Once everything is set, open up a new tab and head to Chrome Flags. On this page, head to its search bar and type in Parallel Downloading. This option is set to default. Click on it and select on Enabled. Once done, relaunch your browser. Your Google Chrome downloading speed will get improved successfully. That's how easy it is to improve your downloading speed on Google Chrome. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.